anything in sports is that as long as there's a game to be played, anything can happen. When a group comes together with a common belief that they can accomplish anything, then the odds are irrelevant. History is not made by those who pay attention to naysayers. Just look at what has been built here in Carolina. With a Stanley Cup banner and the Raptors, if people didn't believe the team could come back this year, what about what we saw in 2019? It's happened before, and can happen again. This group has what it takes, and we've seen it. Show them how the best home ice advantage is this building. Scream so loud, you silence those cowards. Leave no question that this is the loudest house. And one more thing, never tell the Carolina Hurricanes the odds. Game 4 is now.